Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have JBL Tune 115 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left ear or the right ear are not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you can't get them fixed and you want to buy a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a set of earbuds that are affordable and highly rated. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all the pairing history off of them and everything like that so that you can set them up as a brand new set of earbuds like they're just coming out of the box. It's very easy to do. We just need to put them in the case, leaving the lid open like this, the case lid open like this, and they should be charging. So once they're charging and they're in the case, then we're just going to come and we're going to press and hold the button on the back of the right earbud for at least 5 seconds. And after those 5 seconds, the earbuds will reset into their factory default settings. You can go ahead and set these up as a brand new set of earbuds.